Good morning, 7th graders and 8th graders. This is Mrs. Hovey. We are going to do today's lesson. It shouldn't take too long. It's basically multiplication, so I would have a calculator handy. We are going to talk about the fundamental counting principle. Fundamental counting principle is when one event can occur m ways and another event can occur n ways. The total number of possible ways for the two events to occur is m times n. So that's what you're going to do. Whatever the first event one event can occur m ways, you're going to do m, and you're going to multiply by the times the second event can happen. And if you have a third event, you're going to keep on multiplying. So let's try one. We are going out for pizza. There are two types of crust, thin and stuffed. There are four types of pizzas: Hawaiian, Mexican, pepperoni, and veggie. You randomly choose a crust and a type of pizza. How many different possibilities are there? So we have two kinds of crust and we have four kinds of pizza. So we have 8 possible pizzas that we could order. That's it, just multiplying. So let's try a different one, a little bit bigger, of course. You and your family are going out for ice cream. The ice cream shop has 24 flavors, 6 toppings, and then you can choose from a regular, a sugar, or a waffle cone. So in other words, 3 kinds of cones. So we have 24 flavors times 6 toppings times 3 cones. So if we put that into our calculator, 24 times 6 times 3 times 3, my calculator says 432 possible ice cream cones. Oops, and let's double check that. 24 times 6 times 3, yep, 432. That's it. You're just multiplying all your possibilities times each other. Brian's closet has 10 pairs of shorts, 5 shirts, and 4 pairs of shoes. So we have 10 times 5, his shorts times his shirts times his shoes. So I put that into the calculator, 10 times 5 times 4. Brian has 200 possible outfits. And these are word problems, so I am expecting you to label. Let's try another one. Again, a little bit bigger one. A computer store has 6 different computers, 4 different monitors, 5 different printers, and 3 different multimedia packages. So again, all together, 6 different computers, 4 different monitors, 5 different printers, and 3 different multimedia packages. So 6 times 4 times 5 times 3, I get 360 different computer systems. So like I said, if you've got a calculator, you should be able to do this. Let's do a big one. Let's do the last one. This one's a big one. Minnesota license plates are made up of 3 letters and 3 numbers. How many possible license plates are there? So if you look at a Minnesota license plate, just a regular one, usually there are 3 letters and then 3 numbers. So let's talk about the different possibilities. Let's talk about each number. We can repeat. So there are, and we're just doing this basically, there's 26 numbers, so we're going to do 26 times 26 times 26. Already you can tell we're going to have a really big number. Then numbers, we've got 10 numbers, 0 through 9. So we've got 10 times 10 times 10. So like I said, this is a big one. So you're going to put in 26 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10. Are you ready? This is a big number. 17,576,000 possibilities. Now, of course, there's other nuances with that, so that's not exactly the answer, but it works for the time being. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Let's talk about your homework. In Schoology, there should be an assignment video, probably about 2 minutes long, that you should have watched. There is the check-in form, and you had a project due today or tomorrow, I guess. 7th graders, 7th grade advanced class, you have the geometry project that you need to submit. 8th grade general class, you have your number poster. So that needs to be submitted by Tuesday night at midnight. Then you should have watched this video, obviously. And you're going to do IXL skill GTX. I want you to do it until it's 80% or until you've answered 20 questions. And I'm going to put that in the assignment video too, but 80% or 20 questions. No Google Meets the next couple of days, but if you have questions, message me and we will set up one. Have a great day.